Hi, if you use BEX or Analysis for Office to extract data from BW, then you'll know about the shortcomings of those tools. Give me a few minutes just to show you how to extract data from BW directly into Power BI in a much more efficient way. To do this, we use the XCS console from DVW Analytics. It sits in between your SAP BW system and Power BI and can pull data from multiple SAP systems as well as BW and build connections to multiple SAP objects that can be consumed directly from within Power BI. And what's really nice is you don't have to be an IT genius to use this. You can see here in Power BI that we get data from the DVW data source. That connects us to the console. We can see all the connections that we've already created here and create new ones too. We simply select the SAP data object that we're interested in this case an SAP BW query, but notice we can connect to transaction codes and tables, etc. and then pick the SAP system where we found that data. The console now gives us a list of the objects that are available in the BW system, whether they be query views, queries, or other objects such as multi-providers, cubes, DSOs, or info objects. Once we've selected our object, the system brings back the metadata, in this instance of that query. We can now select the characteristics and key figures we're interested in our output, and that includes attributes from BW master data and also tags. It should be noted that we can also extract hierarchies for use in your analytics. Once we've done that, we can filter on absolutely any characteristics. Of course, we can use the variables that are built into a query, but we can add new filters based on any characteristic available within the query. And as you can see here, we can choose from pick lists sourced from BW itself or enter manually the values. Once we're happy, we can preview exactly what the data will look like when it's passed through to Power BI. And if this suits our needs, we can then simply save this connection and consume it within the Power BI platform. Back in Power BI, that connection is ready to use. All we need to do is select it. We can preview the data here, but then load it over into Power BI, and it becomes available then for us to use in our analytics on the platform. What's great is we can extend this capability hugely because we can control exactly the data that we want from Power BI. You can see in this example here that I've created some parameters. I use those parameters to build a filter, which you can see here, and then create a query using the bespoke DVW functions to call the correct connection and apply a filter, and the console does the rest. It then pulls back exactly the data we're looking for, controlled entirely from within Power BI. And once we're happy with our Power Query, then we can use that to build dashboards or analytics as we wish. You can see we've got the filters here together with the query characteristics and key figures. And what's more, we can parameterize that call. So users of this dashboard can apply new parameters, make a call back via the console into SAP BW, run the query, and update the data. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's been informative on how we can connect so easily from Power BI into SAP BW. If you have and you'd like to see more, please come to our website at dvwanalytics.com. Thank you.